Hey everyone, Tony this side. I'm just going to post this video for a quick review on Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right, for the next couple of days, as it's Christmas and I probably will not be quite active. So I'm just posting this quick video so that you should know in case BTC broke out or broke down, what you all need to do. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin chart we're working on, and I've already shown that price might go with this bar pattern, right? And it might test the lower side of the channel, right? And if it does that, after that, there is high probability that price should not retest the 2017 high. Okay, it may not. It may or it may not retest this level, and it comes from there because there would be many people, many traders who would like to enter into the trade at this 20,000 mark. So price may just front run this level, okay, and go up. So this is the main scenario we are working on, okay. But currently price is working in a sideways channel, in a small sideways channel here between the two blue lines, if you can see. Okay, so I'm just removing this bar pattern. So these two blue lines, this is where price is working right now. And in case it breaks out, right, so what you need to do, and if it breaks down, what you need to do, I'm just going to describe both of the scenarios. So first, if you notice a daily candle closing like this, okay, if you notice a daily candle closing like this and it closed above this blue line, that is the level of 24,300 exactly. Okay, if price close above that, then you may look for a long opportunity and you will buy here. Okay, you will buy if you are in USDT. If you have already bought Bitcoin here when we uh, entered at 20,000, this was the broke out, right? So if you entered here, it's okay, you buy, you keep holding that. Okay, but if you are in USDT and you want to enter into a new trade, you will buy here after closing here, and you will target this above 30,000. Okay, so it's around 31,000 that you will target, and you will keep your stop loss below this level. All right, so this is the first plan when we break upside. Okay, if it breaks up like in the middle of the day like this, and at the end of the day it closed back below this level, you are not going to buy. So you will wait for the daily candle closing for this scenario. Okay, the next scenario that may possible that price can break down. Okay, so if price breaks down like this, if daily candle close like this, so you will work on the same scenario we are already working on. We will look for a buy opportunity between 20,000, 19,800 to 20,500. In this scenario, we will put our bids and we will buy here, and we will put our stop loss just below this level, or you can go and check the 2018 high level. Okay, so below that we will keep our stop loss and we will buy, and we will hold that for the same targets of 30,000 or 31,000. Okay, but what happens if price follow our pattern, the bar pattern, it drops here, but if it is closed down like this, if it close a daily candle like this, okay, so if it close daily candle below 2017 high level, that is on BitMEX chart it was 20,093, on different exchanges it is different price. Okay, so I'm considering if a daily candle close below this, so what you will do, you will expect price to hit this consolidation area of these three candles, okay, above 2000 high, 2018 high, sorry. You will wait for this, okay, and you will expect that price can hit these levels and can go up. So you will keep buying, you will not sell. If price just close below 2017 high, you will not sell. You will wait for price to retest these areas, okay, and that's another buy opportunity. If you are in USDT, you can buy here. Okay, and if you are holding BTC, just hold it, keep your stop loss just below this level. Okay, and hold it, and there would be same target. So I'm bullish on Bitcoin, whether this channel break down or break out. Okay, bullish on Bitcoin. Okay, what would be the bearish scenario and where I would turn bearish? You should know that as well. Okay, however, I know the next 3 days price would be in sideways action, probably like 90% chances are there. But in case it breaks down, so as long as price does not close below this level, right? You got that, below this cluster, below 2018 high, as long as price does not close a daily candle here, I'm not bearish on Bitcoin. And if it does that, I will sell Bitcoins. I will place my stop loss anywhere above the swing high, and I will target 2019 high area. Okay, so that is around 4,000 US dollars, right? That is a gap of 4,000 US dollar. That is the first bearish trade I would like to play. or I may look for a retest, price may go back and I would be shorting. I will not be buying if any daily candle close below 2018 high. So these are the upcoming plans for Bitcoin. And if nothing happens in next 3-4 days and price goes sideways and it just keep coming up here, I'll keep you updated from Monday, Tuesday. All right. So what would be the next in Bitcoin? And these are the scenarios you need to just remember or keep in mind while trading Bitcoin. Okay. And talking about Ethereum, well, Ethereum, that was the chart I posted like long ago. In October, I posted this chart, if you remember, right? So here we entered at 429 or 360. Whoever take the entry at any place, that's good because I bought at 120. So I did not buy, right? But I'm holding the Ethereum. But when the price was hitting 669.35, it was 670, 671. Then I mentioned that price can face a strong resistance here. The candle was bullish, everybody was bullish, but I knew that it is a resistance zone and it is not going to be broken on the first attempt. And exactly the same thing happened. And you can see price of Ethereum dropped from 670 and currently trading below 600, right? So that was a good area to book profits if you were in longs, and I hope that helped you all, right? What next are possibilities that as long as uh, price holds this area like 540, 550, there are high chances that price can continue going up. But if price lose this level, I would target price to hit this low, and that would be around 480. Okay, you need to look at this level 480, because if price lose this level, right, price can hit this area. This is a complete gap. There is nothing here which can stop price. Okay, there will be bounces on small time frames on daily chart, so I'm talking about that. So you would probably expect price to hit 480 levels if price lose this level. Otherwise, what you will expect a sideways action here. Okay, sideways consolidation like Bitcoin is doing, and usually Ethereum follows Bitcoin. So probably a sideways action here, okay, and price will continue going up, okay. But for next 3 days, I expect price to stay in this zone, okay. I do not expect any breakout or breakdown in next 3 days. Maybe on Monday or Tuesday we can see that, okay. The second scenario can be that the bearish scenario, if you would say, if price close below this level, okay, if it closed daily candle like this, okay, and price reach this area, then what I would expect, either it drops like this, it goes up, it drops again, and it goes up and make a break in market structure here, then I will be only a buyer. Otherwise, any buyings around 480, I would just look for a retest of this area. I will be bearish on Ethereum, and I will not expect price to go high above 670. Yes, okay. So that's why I was mentioning that price should not like drop. But in case it does, then what we will be doing? We will be waiting for price to hit this area. We would be buying here, but just for a bearish retest of this zone, and later on we will target this area to drop. Okay, so this is what I expect in Ethereum. But what happens if price does not close below this level and directly close above this? It makes a candle here and close above 670 like this. If it does that, to be honest, I'm going to be very bullish on Ethereum, even more bullish than Bitcoin, because above this level, I don't expect Ethereum has much of the resistance. And I think that 1350 is really possible for Ethereum. If price breaks down 670, all this price area in the left is actually just normal support and resistances. They are not a significant resistance that can reverse the price. So breakout of 670 is going to be very massive for Ethereum, and it can go parabolic, uh, like a parabola, and that's going to be a very good trade. So for now, so there is a question that you might be thinking, that when I'm bullish on Ethereum, how there are possibilities that if Ethereum drops this level, because that is very close, why I would be bearish on Ethereum? That is just because of Bitcoin dominance. Because if Bitcoin breaks out and Bitcoin breaks the dominance level of 73%, that can go 83%, and in that scenario, even Bitcoin will be pumping. There are high probabilities that Ethereum will be sideways, or it will be bearish, or it will be consolidating just below resistance. Okay, so uh, that's why I'm thinking like that. But I probably expect that price should not drop below this, and it should consolidate for next 3 days here. And if anything change, I will update you guys. Okay, this was all. I just wanted to give a quick update to all of you on Ethereum and Bitcoin. I hope you enjoyed it. Trade safe, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year 2021 in advance. I hope this year comes with a lot of happiness in all of your lives. Thank you. Have a great day.